ways. Hey, you know the skills, Sonny build always. Hey,
I'm really proud of my culture, my heritage. I can't speak Samoan. Probably know all the swear words. So I used to get in a fair few fights when the boys would say something in Samoan, I think I could understand, but I'm definitely proud of my heritage. I think that's why I got all the tattoos, just to probably getting sick of quarter Māori, Samoan. Nothing against Māoris, man. Come on now. When I was about 14, my old man come back from Australia, and his one was, he come back and it was just got a tattoo. It was all pretty, it wasn't too straight, so even though it was all scribbled, the guy was probably doing a tattoo like that, you know. Yeah. I did some, went down, did some cherry picking, and I come back with a couple $100. I asked the old man if I could get a tattoo on my forearm, same as him, but a little bit straighter. I kind of greased up to him, you know. I said, "Oh, that tattoo look mad, you know, come on, Dad." And yeah, sweet as took me down. At first I got just the band on my forearm. So I had that when I was 14, and then one of my mates, one of my boys, Willie Bernard, he had the full sleeve. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, you know, I wouldn't mind getting it just to the forearm. When I was about 20. Steve Maching in Newland, he's a really good tattoo artist, and just went from there. Yeah, man, he's a man.